Mastering the Art of Citing Lectures, Chicago Style. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the realm of academic writing in the Chicago citation style, specifically focusing on how to cite lectures and presentations using the Notes-Bibliography System. Understanding how to properly cite your sources is crucial to maintain academic integrity and avoid plagiarism. Let's get started. The Chicago Manual of Style provides two ways of documenting sources: the author date system and the Notes-Bibliography System. Today, our focus is on the Notes-Bibliography System. In this system, you provide a note, either a footnote or an endnote, each time you use a source, whether through a direct quote, paraphrase, or summary. At the end of your paper, you also provide a bibliography, a list of all sources used in your research. This method is often used in the humanities and is particularly suitable for historical literature. Lectures, presentations, and talks provide valuable insights and information. By citing them, we acknowledge the work of the original author or speaker and provide our readers with a way to access the original source for further exploration or verification. It also demonstrates the depth and breadth of your research. When citing lectures or presentations, the key is to provide enough information for your readers to identify and locate the source. A basic citation would look something like this. 1. Author's full name. Title of the lecture or presentation, lecture. The name of the event or course, location, date. For instance, 1. Jane Smith, The Impacts of Climate Change on Marine Life, lecture, Environmental Science Conference, New York, New York, September 15, 2022. For your bibliography, the structure is somewhat similar, but with a few tweaks. Last name, first name, title of the lecture or presentation, lecture at name of the event or course, location, date. Using the earlier example, Smith, Jane, The Impacts of Climate Change on Marine Life, lecture at Environmental Science Conference, New York, New York, September 15, 2022. 1. Always double-check your information for accuracy. 2. Ensure consistency in your citation format. 3. If you're unsure about any detail, try reaching out to the lecturer or presenter. They usually appreciate the gesture and it showcases your commitment to accuracy. And that wraps up our exploration on citing lectures and presentations in Chicago style. We hope this has been a helpful guide for your academic journey. Remember, citing correctly is not just about following rules, but respecting and acknowledging the hard work of others. Happy writing, and until next time.